Turn your camera on. Hello, this is old Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and I'm going to take you for a ride with my grandson, so stay tuned. You can go faster than this. And here we go. I'll tell you some things about my grandson as we go along. Also, I need to tell you that I turn off my hearing aids when I ride my e-bike because the wind causes such a terrible noise in my ears. So there's a conversation that'll take place, and I won't understand a word he's saying. I just go, I'll tell you what, when you get going too fast, I'll just tell you how fast it is, okay? Now he's got to itch his legs for some reason. You got something itching your leg? Have to have Grandma put some lotion on him for you. All right, here we go again. One thing he does, he likes to go to the park because then he can play with some kids. We have neighbors with kids. The ones to the south of us have 3 boys, but I think there's some strange religion. They're afraid my grandson's going to convert their kids to Baptists or something. And then the other neighbors to the west of us, they have 3 girls. Well, so that's not much fun. So we go to the park, and he usually finds somebody to play with while we're at the park. So anyway, so here we go, and he also likes to be outdoors. I'll tell you one thing, I'm real proud of him. He recently got put on the principal's list. He's a straight A student. He's on the honor roll, and in 3rd grade. Yeah, I was on the principal's list a couple times too, but it was a different list. So anyway, I'm proud of him there. And then he's brilliant enough that he gets bored real easy. So anytime I can spend with him helps him out a lot. From the time he was 1 year old, his parents started dropping him off at our house, and we would watch him almost every weekday, and so we became good friends, and we played together a lot. We had one of these big rugs that had roads on it, and we'd play with his Hot Wheel cars over and over again. It seemed like he was kind of always interested in blocking the roads so that I couldn't drive through. Why he was like that, I don't know, but anyway, that was one thing. And then also, he liked to play outside. When we were up in Spokane, Washington, we had put in a sewer line, and so there was a lot of dirt, and so he could get out in the dirt and he could play. And let's see, we've got a conversation coming up here, I think.
Can you come over here, please?
What?
I need some water.
Oh, okay.
Now I have to turn around and come up behind him. And of course, I'm not that great on the e-bike after dislocating my arm, so I'm very, very careful now. Here I come. Can you reach it? Here's where I can't hear what he says.
Don't move, I've got my gloves on the back so I can open it.
Mm.
No, like, don't drive forward. That's what I mean.
Maybe we should have brought two, huh?
Why?
Because you're really guzzling the water. He's going to do something that I always do, and then I have to get off the bike to redo it because it's not the best setup. My carrier is pretty inexpensive. Can you get it over there like it's supposed to be? Oh, let me fix it. That's what I'm talking about. That does that a lot. Here. All right, I think we got it. So far, we've gone a half a mile. All right, here we go again. Anyway, when we were in Spokane, he liked to play in the dirt there, and one of the things he learned while we played in the dirt was worms don't bite. And so once he learned that, then he also figured out that they were fun to play with, so he took his toys out. You'll see at the end of this video, there's a picture of him sitting in that dirt pile, and he'll be looking up at me while I take his picture. And he's got worms in his little trucks and everything. He'd give him rides and so forth. So that's a good memory that I have anyway. And and by the way, he gets bored real easy. I think I said that. I'm not sure. But anyway, he's fun to be around. And what? Oh, yeah, be careful. Don't be showing off. I don't want a video of you crashing. Watch this.
Roadrunner!
Yep. Now we're getting up near the park, and here's where we turn off.
Right here?
Yep. This is where we turn. He's got his own camera that I gave him, yet he doesn't like me messing with it, and so he's got it set the way he wants it. It's working, and here we come to the park. Some of the background sounds are the motor on my e-bike. See that there's kids there, so this is going to be a fun day.
I'm parking over here in the shade.
Yeah, he got kind of warm on that trip. He was pretty tired when he got home. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and God bless.